Welcome back, everyone. The monthly divination is Plantmancy. You can find that listed in the second edition of the Angel Lunar Planner, but in short, it deals with plants and really working with plants and the earthy energy. Currently, as I'm recording this video, it's Taurus season. It's the first or second day of Taurus season. So I prefer this season because it's the first earth season, and you have all the first of the annual cycles. The symbology behind this is important because you have Taurus that deals with Venus, and Venus deals with like beauty, love, and even finances, as well as Taurus is spring, like new life comes from springtime. Here you take your candle and you will carve in the symbols corresponding with the things that you want to manifest using your divination technique. I anoint my candle with my anointing blessed oil, but you can use olive oil or any type of oil that you feel comfortable with. You really want to work those oils into your candle. I have my plant, and the plants that I have that I'm really working with for this divination and intention setting are abundance plants. So one I'm doing for financial abundance and increase my territory, and another one that I have that you will see later on is for family, a blessing with family, good family interactions, wisdom and knowledge in our family, and success. So you want to take your sigil after you have put your symbols and your requests on your sigil. You want to place it down deep into the soil, as deep as possible without damaging the roots. That is symbolic of grounding that intention and having that intention, which is technically a seed, take root and grow and integrate with that plant. So as you nourish this plant and as it grows, your intention is nourished and it grows. I bless my plant with my energy, because my energy is what seals and propels this blessing. Always make sure that you add your own energy into everything that you do. Right now I'm using a plastic water bottle that I add crystals in, and I use like spring water, and I have sigils at the bottom. But I just purchased a really fancy spray bottle. It's specifically for plants, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my crystals in there. I'm going to keep it on my altar. I'm just going to make a real ritual out of it. Every Thursday I do water my plants and I put little love on them, but the reason why I do that on Thursday is because Thursday is ruled by Jupiter, and that's expansion and abundance. So if you want to really amp this ritual up, this weekly ritual, then you can do it on a Thursday. Another great day is Sunday, and also on Friday. If you have anything that you want to add, please leave your comments down below and join the ministry over here. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure that you do check out the second edition of the Angel Lunar Planner, as well as our shops. They are all listed down below. Until next time, many blessings.